how to fit your sanding pads on a DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. Now, you've got these blades and it's quite obvious what you do. Push this back here, slip your blade in that gap. You can see that, see it in the gap, and you want to make sure that's completely flat and you're ready to go. However, the sanding block might look a little different. If it's a complete star lock system, I have a video how to fit star locks onto your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. However, if it's the one what comes with your DeWalt system, it's very easy. You need this section here to go in here. So press this down like you would fit in a blade. Slip. Let's do it so you can see better. Slip it in like that. You see that? Slip it back out. Slip it in. And there you go. We've fit our blade. Then you just want the sanding pad. It'll attach like that. And you're ready to sand. Put that on better. There you go. So that's how easy it is to fit your sanding pads on your DeWalt Multi-Tool. To remove it, press that bar down. It's a little tricky. And just wobble it out. And there you go. So that's how easy it is to fit the sanding pads on your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If this helps you out, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.